Hi! In this video, I will tell you how to create a commercial proposal, send it to the client, and sign it online. Clients want to know 3 key things from your commercial proposal. What is the price? How much can a client earn? The clients buy your advertising services and expect to earn more than they spend. And how it will be done. It is important for the client to understand how the whole process of working with the contractor will take place. The answers to this question are important to describe in the commercial proposal. To create a commercial proposal, you may use PandaDoc.com. The link will be under the video. Or you can choose any other app more convenient for you. PandaDoc is a tool for creating commercial proposals and sending them for signing offline. In PandaDoc, you can also sign documents online. So, how to create a document? We click New Document, then Document. And on the page that opens, we can choose a template. There are various templates here, including a Facebook marketing proposal template, but we've improved it a bit. Now I'll show you a template that we prepared. Under this video, we will add the same template as a file in different formats. We specially made them without visual design. You can edit them and design them for yourself. The main thing to understand is that the commercial proposal should be prepared in the same way as the dialogue with the client in the sales. On the title page of the template, you specify the first and the last name of the client and the name of client's company in the fields prepared for. On the right, the prepared by fields should be filled with your data. Next, we answer the questions we talked about in the beginning of the video, in the section How we market on Facebook. The first point is identify audience. First of all, your company name is here, need to understand who your audience is. We'll do some interviews with you, we'll ask questions, and we'll understand what you sell and who your target audience is. After that, the second point is competitor analysis. After we understand who your target audience is, we will analyze your competitors. Understand their strengths and weaknesses. Build a strategy for how we will be different. The third point is reference. We'll give you examples of advertisements. You will tell us which ones you like and which ones you don't. We'll make a list of what you think are the best ads. And the fourth point, first campaign. We will run 5 test ads to 3 different target audience. The budget for each ad will be $5 per day. After spending $100–200, we'll figure out which ads and audience work best and start scaling the ad campaign. Next, we describe how we scale the advertising campaign. Next section is predicted results. This is the section on how much a client can earn. I would also add that the cost per click and the result will be difficult to predict. It all needs to be tested. And below you can give approximate prices for the client's niche. The prices that we put in the template on average are the same for almost all niches. Then the reporting and monitoring section. Here we are talking about systematic monitoring of ads metric and providing monthly reporting to the client. In the schedule section, you specify how much time you need to implement each stage of the advertising campaign. In fact, when negotiating with client, you can say that first you discuss everything with clients, then you develop creatives, and after that run a test campaign for 1 or 2 weeks, and after that you scale it. Then there's a billing and agreement section. At this stage, pay attention. It needs to be voiced to the client that there is a price for your marketing services, and there is a marketing budget. This is very important because those who order advertising for the first time don't know what the difference is. And accordingly, as an example, you tell the client that the cost of your services is $1,000, the advertising budget is $3,000, so the total cost will be $4,000. In this section, you can add lines with different services, but I recommend in any case to divide the description of different services like in the template. The more detailed you specify the whole list of services and their cost, the better. There are boxes for signing below. You can use the template that we have added below the video to create your commercial proposal. So your homework is to create a commercial proposal and to send a commercial proposal to 10 leads. See you in the next video.